Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to add a appointee calendar in Shopify. So what you have to do is simply go to your settings, and after that you have to scroll down and click on apps and sales channels, and then here you have to simply go to Shopify App Store, and then here what you have to do next is simply to wait until this loads up, and then you have to simply search for appointee, and then basically what you have to do next is simply click on search, and then here you have to simply click on this one here and click on install, and after that you'll have to simply wait, and then you're gonna get redirected here to the admin dashboard and click on install again, and basically that's all you have to do. So now we're gonna have to simply wait and click on next, and then here you have to simply enter the name of product you want to add as service. So here you have to simply search for your product and then click on add service, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.